Right. So today's topic is multiply 2 digits by 1 digit. So it's the same as yesterday, but with larger numbers. Brett uses a place value chart to work out 5 times 32. So he's in each row, he's put 32, 3 tens and 1 ones, and then he's times it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, he has realized that 10 tens make 100, so he can shift these tens up 1. Okay, and he can do the same for the ones. 10 ones make 110, so he shifted up 110. This means we have, in this column, how many tens do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, just 6. Yeah? Because these ones have been moved up. We've got 0 ones, because all of the ones have been moved up into the tens. And then here we've got 100. Okay, so our answer is 160. Okay? Right. Talk about Brett's method with a partner. Complete the multiplication 5 times 32. So this is the problem I had before. Okay, so let's say I want to use the same chart. This time it's 6 times 34. That was the question. Oh, it's rubber, that's why. 6 times 34. Yeah, so I'm doing this question. Oh, sorry. We just did the answer here. Beg your pardon, yeah. We did the answer was 160, didn't we? Yeah, so we worked that was 160. And then the next question is 6 times 34. Okay, so I have to use Brett's method. Now, I haven't got time to draw out the whole chart again, so I'll just change here the numbers slightly. So 5 is actually 6, so I need to add another row on the bottom. Sorry, I can't scroll down very far. I need to add another row here to make it 6, yeah? And then I need to add another 2 for each 30. The 30 is fine as it is, but I need to add another 2 here for the ones. Okay, because it's 34, not 32, so I need to do 2 here, yeah, to make 34. And again here, and again here, and then again here, and again here. Now, once again, I have a perfect 10. I have 10 ones, so I can move this 10 ones up into the tens column. Right, I've got to do another row, I forgot. I've got to do a row here. And I've got to add more red ones. I've got to add 4 red ones. Okay, anyway, I can still, so there's 4 red ones left here. I still have to add this across to make a, if I change this to yellow, I think then it's quicker. So then I have 1 more yellow. So we have in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tens. Well, I can shift all those up to the 20, to the hundreds, beg your pardon, hundreds. So I can shift all the tens up to make another 100. Now I need green, of course. Okay, yeah? So this means I have 2 hundreds. I don't have any tens because I've shifted them all up to the hundreds. So I have 0 tens, 0. And here in the ones, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones left. Okay, giving me 204. Now, it's quite a complicated way of doing it, but yeah, with the counters. But in the end, we got there. Are there any questions about this? Does it make sense? Yeah, so when you have 10 ones, you change it into 110. And when you have 10 tens, you change it into 100. Okay. So our answer is 204, so we can fill that in here, 204. And we can check, just to make sure we got the right answer, we can do this. Okay, what's 4 times 6? 24. What's 6 times 3? Yeah, it's actually 18 tens. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 8 is 10. And we carry the 1, and then we have our 2. Now we have the correct answer. Okay? Always have to remember that. I keep forgetting it. 6 times 3 is actually 6 times 3, 10. So I need to remember the 0. Otherwise I get the wrong answer. Okay, and this method here is the one I just did, only this one is 37 times 4. So he's done, she has, Rosie. She's done, let's see, Rosie works out 4 times 37 using a written method. So it's 4 times 7, which gives us 28. Then she's done 4 times 3 tens, which gives us 12 tens. So in other words, 120. Add them together, and you get your answer. Yeah? Okay, so now we'll have to do the same. So we need to do H, T, and O. And we have our larger number at the top, and smaller number here. We do our time sign just to help us out. So now we're going to do 6 times 8. What is 6 times 8? Well, what's 5 times 8? 40, good. So 6 times 8 must be 48. Yes, good. Okay. 6 times 2 tens. I'll put my 0 here so I don't forget. 6 times 2 tens. Well, 6 times 2 is 12, so it's 12 tens. And then I have to add them, which would give me 8 plus 0, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 1 plus nothing is 1. Okay, so our final answer is 168. Okay. So first you have to do 6 times 8. Then you have to do 6 times 20, which is this number. Then you have to add them together. Yeah? So we'll do it again. We'll do the next one, and then you'll see. Well, here's an example. Danny uses a different method. It's kind of the same, but slightly different. It's just that he carries the 1 like this. So he does 2 times 8, which is 16. See, here's the 1. 16, yeah? And then 8 times 4. Well, what's 8 times 5? 40, okay? Take away 8. It's 32, yeah? So then it's 32 plus 1, 33. Okay? So let's have a look at doing this method. So we have 27 times 3. What's 3 times 7? 21. And I need to put the 2 as a small 2 here so that I don't forget it. And I need to add it to whatever answer I get here. What's 3 times 2? 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, oh, but I can't do 6 because I need to add the 2, which gives me 8. 81 is my answer. Okay, because I need to remember to add the 2. So this one's 81. Let's have a look here. Use a written method to complete the multiplications. So 38 times 6. What is 6 times 8? Come on, we should remember that by now. What's 5 times 8? Well, 5 times 8 is 40, so what's 6 times 8? 48. What's 6 times 3, or tens? 3 times 6 tens. I'm going to put my 0 here so I don't forget. What's 3 times 6 tens? What's 3 times 6? 18, thank you. Okay, and then we need to add these two numbers to get our answer. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. I need to carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now we can use the other method that was shown to us. I'll do that in blue. I think it was Danny. It's a bit shorter and don't need so much space, but you might forget something along the way. What's 6 times 8? Just did it. What is it? 48. Come on, guys, a bit quicker. 6 times 3? We just did it here. 18. 18. And I need to add the 4. So 18 plus 4 is? 18 plus 4 is 22. Okay? So you see they're quite similar. It's just this one, you cut out this last calculation, so it's a bit quicker. Okay, let's try the next one, which is, I'll do it here, 71 times 3. 3 times 1? 3. Okay, well, I don't know. You'll have to do a different calculation. Let's work out these ones. Okay, so 3 times 21. Oh, sorry, 3 times 7. 21, right? But it's 10, so I need to put a 0 here. So I need to do this. Okay. Right. 3 plus 0. 3 plus 0 is 3, and 1 plus nothing is 1. 2 plus nothing is 2. So we have our answer, 213. Okay, and now if we do it the Danny's method. Okay. Right, 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 7. What's 3 times 7? 21. So we just put our 21 here. We've got no numbers to carry. So Danny's method is quite easy in this respect. Okay, moving on. So 45 times 9. Right, so we have 45 times 9. So 9 times 5 is, any answers? 9 times 5? 45, thank you. Because you know 10 times 5 is 50, so it's right, 45. Okay, we're doing the one way first and then the other way. 9 times 4, and this is in the tens, so I need to put my 0. 9 times 4, we've got 45 is 9 times 5, so what's 9 times 4? What's 10 times 4? So what's 9 times 4? No, 10 times 4 is 40. It's 4 less. 36. Okay, 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 4 is 10, yeah, and then 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, so that's the one way of working it out. Let's do the other way, which is a bit shorter. They're very similar, really. You have to go through the same process. 9 times 5, we just did it. What is 9 times 5? 45. What is 9 times 4? 9 times 4? We just did it. 36, right? Come on, guys. Yeah. So what's 36 plus 4? 36 plus 4? What is 40? Yes. Okay. So that's the other method. Okay. 52 times 5. What's 5 times 2? 10. Okay, now I'm doing the 10, so I have to put my 0 here. What's 5 times 5? Good, 25. And now I have to add these together. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 5, 6. Good, 2. Yeah. Right, now we're going to try the other method, just so you know fully how to do both methods. 52 times 5. Okay, so what's 5 times 2? 10. We carry the 1. 5 times 5? 25, and we have to add 1 to give us 26. Okay? I can see this method is slightly quicker, I think. So in some ways I prefer this method. Okay, right, let's do this a bit quicker. 9 times 8? 72. Should be ready. Should be ready with your 72. 8 times 2? 8 times 2? 16. Okay, add them together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 7? 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is then 2. Okay, so now if we use Danny's method, again we have to do 8 times 9. 8 times 9. 8 times 9, 72. Okay, so we carry the 7. 8 times 2, 16. 16 plus 7. 16 plus 7, 23. So you can see you need to be pretty good at multiplication in order to do these. Yeah, you need basic multiplication. So now we're doing 17 times 4. Okay, what's 4 times 7? 28, good. Okay, now we're doing the 10, so I put my 0 here. 4 times 1, well, that's not too hard. 4, yeah. Then we add them together. 4 plus 8 is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. So our answer is 68. And if we were to do it the slightly quicker way, 17 times 4. 4 times 7, 28, carry the 2. 4 times 1, 4 plus 2. Good, and then we get our answer. Okay. So now class 4 is selling tickets for a play. Tickets cost £5 per person. There are 56 tickets have been sold so far. How much money has class 4 collected? So you've got to do 56 times 5. Okay, 56 times 5. What's 5 times 6? 30, good. So I'll try this way. What's 5 times 5? 25. 25 plus 3? 28. Okay, so it's £28. How much money they got. So you write that there. Okay, let's have a look in this one. Rosie buys 8 bunches of flowers. Each bunch has 17 flowers. How many flowers does she have altogether? So you need to do 17 times 8. What's 8 times 7? 56. Good. That's quite a tricky one, but good. So I carry the 5, and I do a small 5 here. What's 8 times 1? 8. Good. And then I add the 5, which gives me 13. Good. Okay. So that's the maths